I will spend the next 24 hours in the desert, not in one desert, but in two deserts simultaneously. Mojave Desert and Colorado Desert, the place of the beautiful Joshua Tree National Park. Hi, can I buy annual pass?
Yes, $80.
It's for all the national parks, correct?
Yes.
And can I also purchase camping for one night?
Yes.
Hidden Valley.
Yes. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Have a great night.
Thank you. So we have fire restrictions. Unfortunately, no campfire. And we must look out for the tortoises. Honestly, I want to see them so much. Okay, guys. So now, let's set up a tent. Well, the wind is so strong, I literally cannot set up this tent at this spot. So the other option I have is to go and find another camp spot. Maybe it will be like hidden from the wind. But we are not giving up. We are here to have a great time with nature. Let's see what the camp number 6 has to offer. I already like this wall of rocks. Hopefully it can protect from the wind. And the access to these boulders. Wow! Look at this! I think here we will set up a camp. Do you see? Like it's protected from the 3 sides. Oh, I think I found the spot. Camp number 6. Now it's mine. Okay, attempt number 2. Let's do it! This time I'll be smarter and will prepare the rocks right away. Like so, in time I can fix the tent and it won't fly anymore. Well, I did it, but my phone died in the middle of the time lapse. So, just gonna have to trust me that I did it. It's gonna cool down in the car for a second because it's so hot, and I'll show you the result. Here's the tent, nicely done. And let me show you quickly around the tent. Nice. With a panoramic roof. Here's like this, my backyard, my back window. As you can see, I already secured the tent with boulders that it has no chance to fly away while I'm sleeping. But this is not the last part of securing the floor, so let me show you what else needs to be done. So now it's time to set up this generator and this inflatable bed. Well, now I have place to sleep. All good? Perfect. Let's set up the bed. So with the bed, it's everything simple. I have a sleeping bag, which is gonna be my sheets. In case it's gonna be too cold, it can come handy. I have a new friend, and she refuses to come out. Before going to eat, I have an idea. Let's drive through the park, through the camping ground, because it looks like I'm the only one in here. It's so quiet. I don't see any other people. So I guess I was kind of right. I haven't seen a single person in the whole camp. I saw one Prius aimlessly driving around. I'm not sure even if they're campers or just, checking out. First time I'm the only one in the Hidden Valley campground. Never happened. So the whole campground is just for us guys. Now it's time to find some shade, to eat some food, and to show you my secret spot. I think let's go explore what's behind these bushes. This is still my camp number 6. And I have a pretty good feeling that we're gonna find shade in here. And I found this spot. It looks pretty good to me. Okay, we will have nothing fancy because it's a fire ban across all California up until October. That's what the ranger told me. So we're gonna have just plain sandwiches. I'm pretty sure it's not that exciting for you guys to see me eat. So, magic of editing. Okay, done and dusted. Dinner with a view. Oh my, it's lunch. But the view is amazing. You cannot argue with that. Okay, now it's time to go to my secret spot, which is all the way up there. Yeah, we're gonna climb. This is what Joshua Tree is well known for, the park, I mean. Climbing. But before I need to go to the bathroom. Okay, so let's check this one. No bees. Here it is. As simple as it can be. No water, as you see. Just the hole. So these beautiful boulders are known as Monza Granite formations. And they attract climbers from all over the world. Here in National Park, Joshua Tree National Park, they have over 8,000 climbing routes. And this is my absolute favorite thing to do, climb these beautiful rocks. As long as I remember myself, I loved climbing rocks, trees, everything. So I promise you won't be disappointed. And my perfect hideaway hidden spot is so beautiful. You're gonna be mesmerized. And before we start, just let's take a moment and just appreciate this beauty, this hidden valley behind these rock formations. And I can see some signs of coyotes. You know, I love coyotes. Absolutely love them. And I truly hope we're gonna see one, because normally I see coyotes even in the daytime, but today I haven't spotted one. And the name of Joshua Tree National Park comes after the Joshua trees. And the name Joshua Tree was given to these trees by Mormon settlers. For them, these trees represented a biblical figure of Joshua stretching his arms to the sky. And Joshua trees, they're not actually trees. They are a kind of a yucca plant, and they can live for hundreds of years. Some of them live for thousands of years. Can you imagine? And of course, I need to hug Joshua Tree, my favorite trees on the whole planet. They're kind of spiky, but hugging the trees reduces anxiety, takes all your stress away. Just connecting with nature, becoming one with nature, resets all your nervous system, resets all your electromagnetic field. Just stand next to the tree, give its blessing to it, and the tree will bless you back. Nature is our greatest teacher. I know it sounds weird, but you can ask tree for guidance. You can ask tree for wisdom. All the trees are interconnected by its roots with all other trees over here. They're so intelligent. I love birds. I have birds. The cute parakeets. She went into the rocks. I couldn't find the way, and I think this is the way up. I think our bird just showed us the way up. Now she's dancing for us. Okay, here we go. I need to carry so much stuff with me. But it is what it is. This is how we roll. Okay. It is happening. It is happening. Now we will have to squeeze through that hole. I told you, easy. And the most hard part is over. Here is my favorite spot in the entire world. This is my hidden cave, place of power on top of the mountain. Cave on top of the mountain with a view on the whole valley, on the whole campground. And look how high we are, like eagles. I think absolutely everyone should have a space like this, a secret location. And then when you're stressed, depressed, or feel low on energy, you can imagine this place and come back here and recharge.
Let me also show you how the top of the mountain looks like.
And yes, we are on top of the mountain. This is not for people who are afraid of heights. This is for real adventurers. I'm not afraid of heights anymore. I like to feel myself as a bird, high on top of the mountain, with this incredible view, seeing everything. But this wasn't the case all the time. When I was a child, I was pretty much afraid of heights. So what did I do? I was going to the edge, like so, and was looking down, staying with the fear, embodying the fear, feeling the fear. And here we are, on top of the world, without fear. In places like this, I always get emotional. Because, beauty will save the world. And this is truly beautiful. Joshua Tree is so beautiful. Look at this. I always have heart-opening experiences on top of this. This is why I created this channel. To remind everyone how precious is time with nature. To remind everyone that nature heals, that nature teaches. In our everyday life, we become so separated from nature. In our everyday life, we are so busy, so stressed. Drive next to each other, live next to each other. And it's like a bubble of stress. You cannot be relaxed in the city. You can only be truly relaxed once you are one with nature. Because comfort, it kills us. We so get used to comfort, we dull our senses so much. Look at me, knees scratched, ankles scratched, palms scratched, but I'm happy. This is a pleasant discomfort. This gives you some edge. It gives you life. Life. This is what nature is reminding us. How to live, how to be, and how to be grateful. Now let's see what I brought with me for camping. So here we go. We have a very powerful flashlight because we cannot do fire. After sunset, there's gonna be pitch darkness. I have a very powerful generator so I can charge my phone. And here's all the hygiene stuff to brush my teeth. I also have wet wipes because there is no water. I have sunscreen which I need to put again. This is the bio oil. I use it for my face instead of the creams. So yeah, here it is. Toothbrush, toothpaste, things like that. And I also have sweatpants and a jersey because closer to the sunset it will be so cold, and at night it will be so cold. This is the desert. Okay, we have one more climbing to take, which is more like a hike. That's why I'm in flip-flops. And we're going on top. We are almost on the top, and we're here to witness this. Shoes off, connecting to Mother Nature. Every time I'm in Joshua Tree, I come to meditate here on top of this rock. This is my sunset meditation spot. Sometimes I'm doing Vipassana, sometimes I'm doing meditation for my own app, Rise and Shine Meditations. I feel like Vipassana today.
Have you heard about Schumann resonance? It's 7.8 Hertz. It's a vibrational frequency of Mother Gaia. It's her heartbeat. It's the frequency nature vibrates on. And we humans, with our busy lives, with our anxiety and stress, always in a hurry, we vibrate much higher. That's why once we come to the nature, especially once we meditate in nature, we measure this frequency. This is why all the anxiety goes away, all the stress goes away, because now we vibrate on the same frequency with Mother Earth. Nature is not in a hurry, we are. Nature will always be here. So this is why, and this is how nature heals us.
And while we have the last rays of sunlight, let's appreciate this outfit. Must have if you are in some hot desert. Hat must have. Protect your face, protect your eyes. This, wherever it is, please write in the comments the name of this thing. I have 3 of them. I have no idea how does it called. It will save you from burning your arms, your legs, everything. And of course you want to wear as little as possible because it's so freaking hot.
And after we're gonna enjoy the sunset, we're gonna go to sleep at 7 p.m. like birds. Like I said, I have 2 birds per kids. They go to sleep a couple of minutes before sunset every day. They just know they are so in tune with nature. So today, because it's a fire ban, we cannot lit fire. So it's going to be so dark and there's nothing to do in darkness. We're going to tune in even more with the nature rhythms. And we're going to go sleep at the sunset, after the sunset. And we're going to wake up tomorrow on the sunrise.
Do you see the rock in shape of the heart? Beauty is all around us. Let me show you my favorite spot on this mountain. This is this kind of throne. I like to sit here. This is literally my throne on top of the mountain, overlooking the valley. What a beautiful way to finish the day.
It's already past sunset, but it's still hot. I mean, today was a really hot day. So I'll eat something real quick while I still have some sunlight. Bathroom, and we go to bed. And last one thing. Here is no connection, no cell phone connection. This is the beauty of Joshua Tree. And I have no idea what time is the sunrise, so I cannot set the alarm. But hopefully nature will wake me up. Okay, time to switch off the lights. Good night. All of that are stars. I'm just sleeping under the stars. It's so pretty. Well, good morning, guys. As I said, nature woke up. It was such a cold night. And the coldest is always before the sunrise. So wake up from cold. The sun comes up pretty quickly. Look how pretty. We are going on top of this boulder. So let's do it. Morning hike. What can be better? Waking up as birds. And here is a little bit hard, but we can do it. Like this, step by step. Up, a little bit more. Up. Up and then push. We have a couple more minutes before the actual sunrise. Look at this beauty. Sun will rise from there. And I want to take this moment while we're waiting for the sunrise to remind you that I will set aside 10 cents for every subscriber to this channel to plant the trees. To plant one tree is $1. So every 10 subscribers will equal one more tree planted on our beautiful Mother Earth. So subscribe to the channel. Let's do good, not only by enjoying the nature, but also by helping and supporting nature. Rise and shine, my dear friends. Rise and shine. Let's brush our teeth and eat. Let's be responsible and leave no trace. And now, it's time to demolish the tent. Let's do it. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time. Enjoy the nature.